Lazy Workouts for Beginner 30-Day Weight Loss Challenge. Losing weight is hard, especially for those who have never tried it before. Unfortunately, a surprising number of people are scared to even try because it is hard, and results are never guaranteed. The best way to approach a weight loss regimen is to start slow and with exercises that are less challenging. In this video, we have a list of lazy workout routines that any beginner can use to slowly and steadily lose weight. Lazy Workout 1. A simple and effective way to lose weight is to go on a treadmill for an hour a day for 30 days, or get a Fitbit and make sure you hit your 10,000 steps a day every single day. To lose weight, you need to exercise more, and this is the easiest and most straightforward way to do so. After your time in the gym, you can soak in the sauna for 10 minutes or so to detoxify further and lose more weight. As a bonus, you can listen to music while walking to make it more entertaining. Another way to get your number of steps is to walk to work if you live close to your work, or ride a bicycle if you don't have a treadmill at home. Lazy Workout 2. The 30-Day Squat Challenge. Start out doing as many squats as you can and work your way up. It can take around a minute for the first day, and you can work your way up to 5 minutes or more by the end of the 30-day challenge. You will lose weight and tone the buttocks. Lazy Workout 3. Yin Yoga is a method of stretching where you hold poses for 1 to 5 minutes. Your body may be getting stretched, but you are not exerting any effort, just relaxing into the pose. You can choose some yoga poses and do them before going to sleep each night. You will burn fat slowly and naturally by holding these poses, but you might need to spend at least 20 minutes in total to see beneficial results. It will also help you de-stress and get a good night's sleep. Lazy Workout 4. Again, this is not a typical workout. By using massages and acupuncture, energy flow will be increased in the body. This can assist in losing weight, but may not be enough on its own, as your body is not exerting any energy to burn carbs. Rather, it is being made more efficient in the movement of energy through the removal of blockages. These are some lazy workouts that beginners can use together with proper and healthy diets to lose weight. These tips will work if you keep at it with a certain level of consistency, as well as being patient and not to expect so much so quickly. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.